Hey there, welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem that arises when working with complex video editing tasks. In this case, the issue revolves around the need to trim out a specific portion of an output video without resorting to multiple ffmpeg commands. Quite a tricky problem to solve, but fear not, we've got a solution lined up for you. Let's dive right in and see how we can address this particular problem. So, the solution to our trimming dilemma involves a multi-step process using specific ffmpeg commands. We start by splitting the audio track at the designated time point, trimming out the unwanted segment, and then rejoining the remaining parts seamlessly. The key here is to use the provided code snippet to split the audio track into two segments, trim out the unwanted portion, and adjust the timestamps accordingly. This ensures that we have the audio track ready for the final concatenation step. Remember, precision is crucial when dealing with audio segments to maintain synchronization with the video components. Building upon the previous step, we now shift our focus to manipulating the video components to achieve the desired outcome. By incorporating the secondary code snippet provided, we tackle the visual aspect of the trimming process. This involves splitting the video track, trimming out the specified section, and applying the necessary timestamp adjustments. Once these individual segments are prepared, we bring them together through concatenation, ensuring a seamless transition between the edited portions. This meticulous approach guarantees a polished final output that meets your requirements effectively. In summary, by following the outlined steps and utilizing the specific ffmpeg commands provided, you can effectively trim out the specified portion of your output video without resorting to separate commands. Remember, precision and attention to detail are key in ensuring a smooth editing process. We hope this solution proves helpful in your video editing endeavors. Now go ahead, give it a try and witness the magic of seamless video trimming. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, in the world of video editing, every frame counts.